Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a tech lover, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the top 11 coolest gadgets that are making waves right now. From futuristic devices to everyday game changers, we've got it all. So grab your popcorn, hit that like button. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's get into it. 11. Sony FE2470mm. The Sony FE2470mm f/2.8 GM lens is a versatile and high-performance zoom lens designed for Sony's full-frame mirrorless cameras. As part of Sony's prestigious G Master (GM) series, it offers exceptional image quality, impressive sharpness, and beautiful bokeh, making it a popular choice for both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. The 2470mm focal length range is perfect for a variety of shooting scenarios, including landscapes, portraits, events, and everyday photography. One of the standout features of the lens is its constant f/2.8 aperture, which provides excellent low-light performance and allows for a shallow depth of field. 10. Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. The Lark Self-Cleaning Water Bottle is an innovative, eco-friendly solution for staying hydrated while reducing your environmental footprint. Equipped with a built-in UVC light technology, this bottle uses UV light to purify both the water and the bottle itself. With the press of a button, the UVC light sterilizes the interior, killing up to 99% of harmful bacteria and viruses. This feature ensures that your water stays clean and fresh while also eliminating odors, making it perfect for daily use or outdoor adventures. The Lark bottle's self-cleaning function is powered by a rechargeable battery, which can last for up to a month on a single charge. The bottle is made from high-quality, BPA-free stainless steel, ensuring durability and keeping drinks at the desired temperature. It also features an insulated design, keeping cold drinks chilled for up to 24 hours and hot drinks warm for up to 12 hours. Beyond functionality, the sleek design of the Lark bottle is both modern and minimalist. 9. Neo SmartPen M1 Plus. The Neo SmartPen M1 Plus is a cutting-edge, digital pen designed for those who want to seamlessly blend traditional handwriting with modern technology. Using Bluetooth technology, this sleek and compact pen digitizes your handwritten notes in real time, syncing them with the Neo Studio app on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It works in conjunction with special encode paper, which is embedded with tiny invisible codes that the pen tracks as it moves across the page, converting your writing into digital text. The Neo SmartPen M1 Plus is equipped with a precision tip for smooth writing and is designed to be comfortable for extended use, making it ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who takes notes regularly. Once your notes are digitized, they can be organized, edited, and shared instantly, eliminating the need for manual transcription. The pen is lightweight and features a long-lasting rechargeable battery. 8. PivoPod Active. The PivoPod Active is an advanced, motorized smartphone mount designed to enhance your content creation experience. It's perfect for creators who want to capture smooth, dynamic shots without the need for a traditional camera crew. This device offers automatic tracking technology, allowing it to follow your movements, keeping you in the frame as you move around. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or recording action shots, the PivoPod Active ensures that your footage remains steady and well composed. Equipped with 360-degree rotation, the PivoPod Active can swivel to track your every move, providing a wide range of creative possibilities. 7. Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 6 is a premium portable Bluetooth speaker that combines powerful sound performance with elegant design. Known for its iconic, sleek, circular shape, the Onyx Studio 6 is both a statement piece and a functional audio device. It features high-quality sound with deep bass, crisp mids, and clear highs, making it perfect for a variety of music genres. Its impressive 50-watt output delivers a rich and immersive listening experience, whether you're at home, outdoors, or on the go. The Onyx Studio 6 is equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery that offers up to 8 hours of continuous playtime. 6. LumeCube 2.0. The LumeCube 2.0 is a compact yet powerful portable lighting solution designed for content creators, photographers, and videographers. This updated version of the popular Lume Q offers improved brightness, versatility, and portability. With an adjustable brightness range from 0 to 1500 lumens, it provides excellent lighting for a variety of shooting environments, whether you're capturing photos, videos, or live streaming. One of the stand-up features of the Lume Cube 2.0 is its color temperature range, which can be adjusted from 5600K daylight to 3200K warm, allowing users to achieve the perfect lighting for any situation. It also offers a wide range of mounting options, including a tripod thread and multiple diffusers. 5. Samsung Galaxy Buds FE True Wireless. The Samsung Galaxy Buds FE True Wireless earbuds are designed to offer high-quality sound, a comfortable fit, and a range of convenient features for users who want an immersive audio experience. Part of Samsung's Fan Edition lineup, these earbuds are tailored for those who seek premium features at a more affordable price point. The Galaxy Buds FE are equipped with 12mm dynamic drivers that deliver rich, clear sound with deep bass and balanced mids and highs. Whether you're listening to music, taking calls, or engaging in voice commands, the earbuds provide a well-rounded audio experience. They also support active noise cancellation, ANC technology, helping to block out ambient noise. 4. Sonos Arc Soundbar. The Sonos Arc Soundbar is a premium home audio system designed to deliver an immersive cinematic sound experience. Featuring Dolby Atmos support, the Arc creates a three-dimensional audio landscape that surrounds you with rich, dynamic sound, making it ideal for watching movies, listening to music, or gaming. The Arc's advanced technology includes custom drivers and a combination of upward-firing speakers, which allow it to produce an expansive soundstage with overhead audio effects that make you feel like you're in the middle of the action. The sleek, minimalist design of the Sonos Arc fits effortlessly into any modern living room. 3. Theragut Elite. The Theragut Elite is a high-performance percussive therapy device designed to help with muscle recovery, relieve tension, and improve overall wellness. Developed by Therabody, this device uses deep muscle treatment through rapid, concentrated pulses to provide relief from soreness and tightness. The Elite model is known for its quiet yet powerful performance, offering up to 40% quieter operation compared to previous models, thanks to its advanced sound dampening technology. 2. Ring Video Doorbell 4. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 is an advanced smart doorbell that enhances home security with high-definition video and two-way audio. It offers 1080p HD video streaming, allowing homeowners to see who's at the door in real time via their smartphone, tablet, or computer. One of its stand-up features is the color pre-roll technology, which captures 4 extra seconds of video footage before a motion event occurs, providing a complete view of who is approaching your doorstep. The doorbell is equipped with a wide-angle lens and night vision, ensuring clear footage day or night. It also includes customizable motion detection zones, so you can tailor the area that triggers alerts, preventing unnecessary notifications. 1. Burnett EP Launcher. The Burnett EP Launcher is a non-lethal, high-performance personal security device designed for self-defense and protection. It uses compressed air to launch projectiles, offering a powerful and effective means of deterring potential threats without causing permanent harm. The Burnett EP Launcher can fire both chemical irritant rounds, such as pepper spray, and kinetic impact projectiles, making it a versatile tool for various situations, from self-defense to personal safety during outdoor activities. One of the key features of the Burnett EP Launcher is its ease of use and ergonomic design, which ensures that it's comfortable to hold and operate. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery, offering multiple shots per charge, and it can shoot projectiles up to a distance of 60 feet. There you have it, the top 11 coolest gadgets that are making waves right now. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome gadget reviews.